guys, welcome back to Flo's Kitchen. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're not new, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make Sosis en sauce. That's right guys, stew sausage. Alright, so these are the ingredients that you will need for this recipe. You'll need some scotch bonnet pepper, about a spoon of tomato paste. You'll need some sausage and different color bell peppers. You'll also need some olive oil. Alright guys, very easy, simple ingredients to make this delicious breakfast. It's a Haitian breakfast. You don't want to miss how I'm gonna do it. Make sure you stay tuned. All right, so the first thing is to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of olive oil, just like so. Make sure your stove is on high, and then you want to drop in your sausage. Here I have some Garcia sausage, spicy sausage, because my family likes spicy food. All right, so you let that fry up until it's golden brown all over. Make sure you're taking your spatula and flipping and turning the sausage. Make sure both sides of the sausage is nice and golden brown. Okay, let it fry up very nice in that olive oil so everything can be evenly colored. All right, just like so. Now, if you want to use a different kind of sausage, you can. This recipe is good for all sausages. The Garcia sausage, Italian sausage, you can do it with all. All right. And then here, you're letting it steam up a little bit. Then you want to drop in your 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. All right, just like so. You want to make sure the tomato paste is well incorporated and by mixing and stirring, as you guys can see here. Then you go ahead and drop about 1 cup of water, half a cup to a cup of water. Okay, and you make sure that the tomato paste is not clumpy, but is well incorporated and is thinned out throughout this stew sausage. Okay guys, you see how there's still tomato paste all clumped up there? You want to make sure you keep stirring and make sure that the tomato paste is dissolved throughout this stew. All right, just like so, just like so. Do not be shy. Keep flipping and twisting and stirring until you don't see any tomato paste chunked on the sausages. All right, very easy, just like so. All right, and then you want to continue adding water until that tomato paste is fully thinned out and there's no tomato paste clumped up, as I stated before. Yep, very easy, very simple guys. Now you want to drop your scotch bonnet pepper, and then you want to also drop in your bell peppers. Yes, you see how beautiful that is? Bell peppers is what's going to give that a nice color, nice flavor. Bell peppers have flavor too, just in case you guys didn't know. But guys, this is a beginner friendly dish. Very easy. You can pair this up with some boiled plantains, fried plantains. Here I have it with some boiled plantains as well as some sweet potato. I don't know how to call the white potato in English, but it's a white potato. And that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share. All right.